Hey guys, today I bring to you a saturation plugin that doesn't get as much mention as the others, and that's the True Iron from Kazrog. There are many other saturation plugins out there, but I feel that True Iron offers quality that deserves mention. Before I continue, please remember to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. This helps me to grow the channel and will also help me to bring better quality content in the future. Thank you for all of the support. I have an instance of True Iron on the 2 bus, which is where I tend to use it the most. What I've done is boosted the strength all the way up and turned down the output gain so that the levels are matched. This will exaggerate the effect and make it easier to hear. Make sure you do listen close because this plugin is subtle. Next, I'm going to do a null test so that you can hear the difference. But I'm using a different method to get this null test. I'm using the difference between wet and dry in Reaper. And I'm going to turn up or down the output gain to match it as close as possible to the dry signal to get the maximum null. Now, let's go over some of the controls. First, we have voice. Voice is where you select which transformer model you want to use. The crush knob emulates driving the circuit, which produces more distortion. The ×2 button doubles the crush distortion amount. Strength is for saturation amount. Morph changes the way the strength control responds to being boosted. So the higher you drive it, the more even order harmonics are utilized. The DNA mode enhances the accuracy of the emulation, so think of it as high definition. True Iron also has a nice selection of oversampling options. Important thing to note, however, is that the oversampling options are global to all open instances of the plugin. So if you've set one to online ×32, you've set all of them to online ×32. A few interesting things that I found in Plugin Doctor as well. First, in the linear analysis. The difference between the DNA mode being active or bypassed does show some major differences. You will notice that when DNA is active, there is data for both left and right channels, however subtle, and the shapes of the curves are different. Another thing that I want to point out is the difference in noise level on the harmonic analysis when DNA mode is engaged. But please keep in mind, the noise is happening around -150 dB. You are not ever going to hear this. However, we do see again some slight differences between the left and right channels. Finally, we have the Hammerstein analysis, and to me, this is the most important analysis for this particular plugin. The crush knob boosts odd order harmonics. Specifically, the third harmonic gets the strongest boost. If you click the ×2 button, the fifth harmonic gets boosted about equal with the third harmonic. The strength knob also boosts some odd harmonic content. However, if you click the morph button, it blends more even order harmonics the higher you boost. Something else to also bear in mind, boosting the strength knob is not auto-compensated. You will need to set the output gain. That is all for this video. I do highly recommend trying this plugin and even purchasing it. This plugin only costs $49.99 on a normal day, and currently I believe it's on sale for $39. Either way, the price tag is an absolute steal, and this is most definitely one for the arsenal. Hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Until next time.